Hello, my name is Pierre-Marc Gervais, CEO at Access International, and I welcome you to our video capsule on CARM, the CBSA Assessment and Review Management Initiative. Today, we will guide you through the payment reconciliation with the CARM Clients Portal. Let's dive in to help you manage your customs payment and transactions efficiently. The content is up to date as of March 17, 2025. Let's have a look at the essential items that we will review in this capsule to support you with the CARM portal transactions. First, we will see how to access your transaction history. We will help you to determine outstanding amounts and also to determine the amounts that need to be paid. To start, log into the CARM client portal using either your GC key or your sign-in partner. This is your access point for all customs-related financial transactions. Here's an essential piece of advice. Always ensure that you use the correct account before doing any actions in your CARM portal. Check if you have another RM account by looking at the top right corner of your screen. As an example, you can see an RM number 0002 or higher. If needed, click on the arrow next to your company name and SBRN number to change it. The first step is to access your financial information. From the home page, simply click on Financial Information. Then, you will want to access your transaction history. Under Services and Information, click on Transaction History. Take note that you can also access directly from the drop-down menu under Financial Information and Transaction History. You will find the menu button on the left-hand side of your screen. When you have accessed your transaction history, you will be able to look at the details of your account. You will see your overdue balance, which is the amount that is due immediately to CBSA. You can look also at the total net open balance. This is the total amount that is due to CBSA. To correctly assess what needs to be paid now and in the future to CBSA, we suggest as a step 4 that you export the information to a CSV file. We will suggest you that you select a date range that is extended. You can look for the past 90 days. Once it is done, you can click on Export to CSV to create the file. If ever you cannot find a transaction, or if when you do the calculations, your overdue balance does not match what we've seen in account details in the previous section, you will want to manually select a broader range of date. When you export the CSV file, make sure you are patient. The progress chart goes directly from 0% to 100%. Once you have created and downloaded the CSV file, you will want to open it with a software like Microsoft Excel. Then you should add filters to the first row of the document. This will make it easier to identify transactions. Once you will have added the filters, you will want to filter the J column. This column is called Transaction Status. You will have 3 statuses: Open, Paid, and Past Due. Let's first have a look at the Past Due status. These are the transactions that are overdue. We recommend paying them immediately so that you avoid penalties and interest fees. The total should match the overdue balance due immediately from the account details sections as we've reviewed in step 3. If these amounts do not match, go back and expand the date range and export a new CSV file. Let's now have a look at the transaction with the status at open. These are the transactions that are due in a future payment. Check the due date in column L. This date indicates when the payment is required. Add these amounts together and you will get the amount to be paid before the indicated date. As our example there, you have transactions with a due date of March 31st and others with due date of May 1st. So just make sure that you pay only the ones that are due by March 31st in your payment with the current cycle. If ever you see a negative amount, this represents a credit. You can allocate it. Before concluding this capsule, here is a piece of advice. It happens that you can see the same document number multiple times when you export the CSV file. This is all normal because the fees are separated on the portal. You will see that you can have a specific line for GST, another one for customs duties. You will find different ones for anti-dumping and surtaxes. At Access International, we pride ourselves on being more than just a customs broker and freight forwarder. Our team is there to simplify your logistics and customs processes so you can focus on growing your business. Whether it's navigating CARM, managing compliance, or providing tailored advice, we are your trusted partner. Our services are designed to address every aspect of your customs need, including seamless custom brokerage, expert guidance on compliance and regulations, efficient payment management, and dispute resolution. When you work with Access, you gain access to a team of specialists who are dedicated to providing personalized, responsive, and reliable support. With over 2 decades of experience, we understand the complexity of global trade and how to make it work for you. If you have any questions or need support with CARM or any other customs matter, we are here to help. Reach out to us today and discover why so many businesses trust Access International as their customs and logistic partner. Let's make customs easy together. Contact us via phone toll-free, by email at info@accessintl.com, and visit us on our website at accessintl.com. At Access International, we don't just meet expectations, we exceed them. Let us help you unlock the full potential of your business. That wraps up our quick overview of payment reconciliation with the CARM portal. By following these steps and tips, you can navigate the CARM client portal with confidence. Stay tuned for more helpful capsules to simplify customs compliance.